Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a deed with Rocket Lawyer step by step clearly. To transfer a deed using Rocket Lawyer, start by visiting the Rocket Lawyer website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the Documents section on the homepage. Search for Deed Transfer in the document templates. Select Transfer Deed from the options provided. Carefully read the description to ensure it fits your needs. Click on Start Document to begin the document creation process. Follow the prompts to provide necessary information about the property. This includes the property address and the names of the current owner and new owner. Make sure to include any specific details regarding ownership type. Once all information is entered, review the agreement for accuracy. Make any necessary changes before finalizing the document. After confirming the details are correct, proceed to download the document. Next, print the deed for signatures. Gather all parties involved to sign the deed in front of a notary, if required. Make sure the notary public completes their section correctly. After signing, finalize the deed by filing it with your local county recorder's office. Pay any associated filing fees as required by your jurisdiction. Keep a copy of the filed deed for your records. You have now successfully completed the deed transfer using Rocket Lawyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.